question to Mark. What do you do about taste, you know, in your kitchen model?
I tested, so but again, what we try to achieve, so that's the, for example, for the different people, the same dish could be, I don't know, tasted different. So you can like it or dislike it, or you can be very just, I don't know, neutral. So that's why we try to build the platform which can collect it as much dishes as possible, because in this case you can definitely find your personal like a set which you appreciate it and like, and after that you can use it on the regular basis. But every time you can try something else. So the test, it's very unlogic part, which is more emotional part, and that's definitely what I mean, that our kitchen is a little bit more than artificial intelligence, because they can cook something which you cannot define by some objective parameters. So it means that only your personal feedback is important, and only what is important for us is to give you opportunity to find something from the wide range of recipe which is totally, I don't know, just fine for you, yeah? On any kind of reason, dietary requirements, I don't know, maybe low calorie, I don't know, some special program, or anything what you want. This is, I think, that's what's the future of the artificial intelligence, to give you access to this knowledge immediately when you need it.